Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a Walgreens freebie, Dollar General freebie with overage, and some very cheap Blue Buffalo dog biscuits over at Walmart, which is fantastic. This is a great midweek haul. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. Helps me out with the channel if you could just take a second and like the video, just so it doesn't end up in, you guessed it, YouTube Siberia. Okay, so the first store that we're at is Walgreens, everybody's favorite. And yesterday, I made a video about paper products, and I was talking about you can get 5 4x6 prints using the code FREE4X6, exactly as pictured. So yesterday evening-ish, I went and picked up my prints. And this printed out of the machine, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. And yes, I did punch in my phone number when the cashier did the little scan. So it's completely free to give this a shot. I would definitely ask, like, hey, is that machine printing out coupons today? The Catalina machine. And just give it a shot, guys. You have nothing to lose. And a 5 back when you spend 15, that is a little bit of a Merry Christmas to you. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to do is with the 5 back when you spend 15. And if you look at the very top, mine actually expires on the 23rd, so I have like a week. So what I'm going to do for this deal is grab 2 of the Shea Moisture shampoos. We have this 5 off a 2 digital coupon, so we're going to utilize that one. If you head over to IBOTTA, there is $2 back for each, and it's on selected shampoo scents. So you're going to have to do a scan at the store to make sure it's attaching. Here's the deal. 2 of these shampoos, they're $11 a pop. That's 22 bucks. Subtracting your digital coupon, and then get the cashier to scan the 5 back when you spend 15. You're going to pay $17 with your debit card, credit card, or bills. You pick. You're getting back a $10 register reward, photographing your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making this free and a $2 moneymaker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as that paper booster is spend 15 to get back 5, and you don't want to monkey that up. Next deal that we have is with the Scott toilet paper or paper towel. Alternatively, if you prefer the Walgreens brand generic, I have a video from yesterday on how to get that really cheap as well, and I will link it at the very end. So in store, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the Scott toilet paper or paper towel, or you can get a combination if you wish. It's $5 each on a buy one get one 50% off, so you don't even need to load a store coupon for this one. Now, last week we got this 2 off a 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. Here's the very straightforward deal. 2 of these Scotts for $7.50. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying $5.50 for the 2, or $2.75 per bag of 12 toilet papers or 4 paper towels. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you might have like a $5 register reward, throw that in and pay 50 cents. And I think with everything going on in the world right now, you know, when you find a really smart deal on some very inexpensive paper products, now is the time to pounce on these deals. This 33% off of holiday gifts, decor, toys, candy, and more. I was just kind of like looking at my picture of this, and I'm like, well, that's really interesting, you know? So it started on the 15th, but if you really look at the sign, it ends on the 25th. So it's going to be this week and next week, and it's a promotion to really move some of their Christmas stuff. And there's a whole host of products. If you have Walgreens cash, or if there's something that really caught your eye, you know, at 33% off, grab it now, or probably on the 26th, you can get it at 50% off. Still putting together a couple neighbor gifts, and I need some Christmas chocolate specifically, so this Ghirardelli Peppermint Bark is a winner. We currently have this $1 off 2 digital coupon, which is so fantastic. And then if you head over to your Ibotta account, there's $1 back on each bag. Each bag. So that's a really good rebate to have. So this is a very straightforward deal. 2 of those Ghirardellis at 33% off is $8.68. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're going to pay $7.68. Photograph your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. So it makes it $5.68 for the 2, or $2.84 per bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're heading over to Walmart, and I was in there, doing some Christmas stuff, and I walked through the clearance aisle, and they had a lot of Christmas stuff already like 50% off, which is really weird because usually they wait till the 26th to mark a lot of this stuff at 50%. It's this Blue Buffalo dog biscuits, and here is the UPC. It's a very sizable bag too. It was like 11 ounces, so that's not like the chintzy 3-ounce dog cookie one, but it's $2, and I think the original price was like $4 and some change. So I mean that's a good deal on its own. And just to show you the bag a little bit closer here, if you're like, what is this? It's Blue Buffalo, cleaner ingredients. If you really focus on your dog's health, it's a very good brand. So IBOTTA has currently a $5 back when you buy 3 of these, and I also had a 5-cent back on any dog food. Very straightforward deal. 3 of these bags at $2 a pop is 6. I paid that, photographed my receipt to IBOTTA, and I got $5 back. So it made it $1 for the 3, or 33 cents per bag, which is a spectacular deal for these dog treats. And they don't expire till I think October of 2025. So they have a really long expiry date too. The last store that we have is Dollar General, and yesterday the Dolly Parton and Fall Harvest stuff went 90%. So you're going to typically find this either in the NCI section with all the dishes or near the Christmas stuff on an end cap. So I actually did 4 different transactions because I had an item giving me overage. I was at a non-updated store, so I can get overage there. At an updated store, it's just a free item. And how you can tell the difference is if the cash register has an actual keypad. If it has a keypad, it's a non-updated store. This toothpaste is $1 found in the dollar spot. We have a $2 digital, making it free, plus $1 of overage. The weird thing about this is even if you try and scan it, it's not showing that the coupon's attaching anymore, but at the register it came off. So a leap of faith deal. If you don't want to try it, by all means don't do it, but it worked for me on like Tuesday morning-ish. Really think that a lot of the Dolly Parton merchandise is so stinking cute, and I really wanted to stock up on it. These cheese spreaders were 50 cents. These towels, or like hand towels, they were 20 cents each. The original price was $2. Everything either has butterflies or apples on it, and everything is very reasonably priced. If you live in a town like in Tennessee, or where country music is really, really popular, possibly a lot of this stuff, it's all going to get cleared, because like this little to put your cookbooks on, it's a cookbook holder, so it's $8, and then now it's 80 cents at 90% off. A lot of this stuff is so adorable and reasonably priced that it might be completely cleared at your store. I know a couple of my friends who live in the South, and Dolly Parton is like, she's the queen. It was impossible to track any of this down, but where I live, there was still a good amount of it left. So they were like, I'm so jealous. And you can see it hangs on to that cookbook just perfectly. So with the overage, the dollar overage that I got, I basically got like $1 worth of the Dolly Parton stuff, and it picked up the entire purchase. This guy was 20 cents, a little 2-pack of sponges. I only found one of them. I have a weird problem with sponges too. I always like to really stock up on them. And then just to show you the receipt, this is one of my transactions. So I got the sponges, and then I got one of those cookbook holders, and then the toothpaste, and my subtotal was $0, and I just had to pay the 12-cent tax. And I did 4 separate transactions. Obviously, on a Tuesday morning, if there were other customers that were behind me, I let everybody go ahead. But I did test it out once with the toothpaste, like, is this going to work? Is this not going to work? Kind of a leap of faith thing. And it worked for me. So I was very happy to get the $4 of overage and $4 of 90% off merchandise. And I love the Dolly Parton line. I just think it's very, very cute. And this home harvest stuff, I didn't really find a whole lot of that, but I really wasn't looking. I mean, I was like a Dolly Parton shopper with blinders on. See, it says Perfect Harvest, so that's what's 90% right now, and I'm assuming on Christmas Eve it's probably going to go for a penny. Look for it merchandise like around the Christmas stuff, or where they keep the food. That's where I specifically found a couple of these, and I'm going to wait till these penny out, because I have so many plates from other penny hauls in the past. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.